All right. Now, the final two problems, they are very straightforward, okay? It's just that the presentation is a little bit different. Now, for example, if I give you a box, oops. If I give you a box, then I say this is 2, this is 3, and this is 5. And I ask, can you find out the volume? What do we do? Thank you. Length times width times height, which will give you a total of what? In this case, if you multiply all three numbers together, 30, right? Or 30 units cubed, right? So now, concept-wise, it's really, really nothing special. So now, what we're changing is just the way these numbers look. So we have a box. What is the volume of the box? It's very important that you write down the V because you want to indicate, you want to tell the world that you're calculating volume. So you have 2 times 3k minus 1 and 5k plus 2. Now, is there any particular order that you place all these 3 parentheses? I would choose to put the 2 up front. Okay, that just makes a lot of people's life a little bit easier. You don't want to put a 2 in the middle, nor at the end, right? So, again, like what we said earlier, we just go ahead and do 2 at a time. Now, I can already see what's going to happen. Some people, you know what some people would do? Okay. Now, we don't do this here. And the reason why people think about doing this is because they don't know why they shouldn't do it this way. So there's nothing to stop them from doing the wrong thing. Now, you have to understand that when we do multiplication, we just do 2 things together. Okay? Like for example, think about how you get 30, right? 30, the way we get 30 right here, it was simply 5 times 3 times 2. And just go ahead and multiply from left to right. You don't distribute. Okay? You don't distribute here. So you just go ahead and say, all right, 6k minus 2, and then 5k plus 2. And you go ahead and do the FOIL again right here. There will be 30k squared. And then you have plus 2k, and then minus 4. And that shall be your volume, the expression of volume in terms of k, okay? So sometimes you might find out the question to ask you like, express the volume in terms of k. That means that we don't know the exact number, but go ahead, express the volume with the k in it, okay? So express the volume in terms of k.